Hello and welcome to this video. We are doing a skirt. This is how it's looking. Basic short and a half skirt thingy at the front with a frill, a pleated frill. The waistband is a playful waistband tie situation, as you can see. So if you want to know how to come up with this, continue watching, especially if summer is coming up where you live. You might make this. So yeah, let's do this. So first of all, I'm just going to start with the front pieces of my short, and I'm just folding in about quarter my hip measurement plus around 2 inches. So make sure you have enough at the fold before you start doing the measuring and cutting. So from the top, I'm doing 9 inches going down, and I'm also marking 11 inches for the crotch. And then from the fold, I'm marking 2 inches, and I am just drawing the crotch line up to the 11 mark. Then from the hip line there, I'm going to measure my hip plus 2 inches for allowance and sewing allowance. Then for the waistline, I'm measuring my waist measurement plus 1 inch. I'm going real fast over here for the pattern, but I'm going to do a detailed short pattern tutorial. For the height of my short, I'm going with 17 inches. That's what I'm measuring now. That's 17 for the height. Of course, I'm going to do a fold, so in total it's going to be about 15.5 inches when it's done, cutting out the front piece. So I might have gone really fast when doing this pattern, but I'm going to post a detailed how to make a short pattern tutorial soon. So for the back, of course, you're going to make the back pattern from the front one with just a few changes, you know, a few changes at the center back crotch line. So first off, you need to make sure that the side seams are the same, they are matching, they are equal in length. So that's what I'm going to trace first from the front. So raise the back seam with 1 inch at the center back, and then I'm going to trace the side seam and add 1.5 inches at the side seam when creating the back. The inseam of the short is just the same, and then draw another crotch line to, well, I'm going to do a detailed tutorial for the shorts because I know I'm going too fast here. And it should be better to show you how to make the pattern on brown paper, because this patterned fabric you can't even see the markings I'm making. So I guess the video after this is going to be a tutorial on how to make shorts pattern. So after doing the front and back pieces, I'm going to make the small skirt for the skirt. Of course, 9 inches for the hip, and then the full length, which is 17 inches. At the hip line, I'm going to measure quarter my hip measurement plus sewing allowance, and that's it. Then I'm going to cut it out. Oh yeah, make sure the seams, the side seams match, because the front seam is going to be going into the shorts. I'm cutting the top part because, as you saw, it's only complete, the skirt is only complete on one side, the other side is short, like it's a scallop skirt. And I'm just going to freehand the curve at the front. There we have it. So because of the frill, is it a fringe frill that I'm putting at the bottom, the one with the pleats, I'm just going to reduce around 2 inches from the bottom of this skirt part to allow for the pleat fringe that I'm going to be putting in. And for the fringe, I'm cutting 4 inches by 45. And I'm going to cut 2 of those 4 inches by 45. Because I want the frills to be, the pleats at the edge to be a lot. Like I don't want them to be too spaced out. So I'm cutting, so in total I'll have 90 inches by 4 inches for the frill. That's going to go down on the bottom. So later on I did the same 90 inches by 4 inch for the waistband. Is it the waistband or the waist tie, whatever you want to call it? I did the same 90 by 4. You're going to see So to start off with the sewing, I'm going to do the 2 crotch, the front crotch line and then the back crotch to start. Make sure the right sides are kissing always. Then to work on that fringe, the pleat fringe, I'm going to connect these 2 pieces, the 245-inch pieces, to make it 90, and then I'm going to hem it before I put it onto the skirt. So to put it onto the skirt, ensure that the right sides are kissing as per usual, and then just fold the pleats as you go. Or that's what I did. I decided to fold as I went because it was too long. I knew I wouldn't run out of the fabric. You can also do gathers if you're not into pleats. That's how it's looking on the right side. And I'm putting the skirt part onto the front pieces of my shorts, and I'm going to connect them on the side seams to make it easier to connect the front to the back. So the right part of the shorts should be facing the wrong side of the skirt, so that both right sides are facing up. So that's how we are looking right now, and we are ready to connect the front to the back piece. So yeah, right sides to right side kissing, and you can go ahead and connect the inseam of the shorts. And then next the side seams. So for this side, because I'm putting in a zip, I left about 8 inches for the zip, or 7 inches, and then I sewed the rest of the seam. From there you can hem the shorts, which is what I'm doing. And then, so I forgot to show you me putting in the darts, but there are back darts in the short, and now I want to put in the zipper. So just fold the seam and sew in the zipper into place. My zip is really big. So there we have it. Next, the waistband. So as I said, the waistband I'm doing, it's not like a traditional type of waistband. It doesn't have interfacing or anything to back it up. And it's long, so I cut out 4 inches by 90 inches of the Ankara, and I'm just going to attach it and leave the sides hanging, so that it can act as a tie to give the shorts more playful layer. So now I'm just attaching the right side of the waistband to the wrong side of the shorts, and then I'll top stitch it onto the right side. But before that, these ties that are left hanging, I'm going to put them right sides casing and do the seam to finish it off, just like a normal belt or tie on a dress or on an outfit. I'm going to sew all the way up to where it's attached to the short, and then turn it right side out and do the same to the other side of the tie. That. Do the same on the other side, then turn them to the right side before top stitching onto the short. So here we are. After turning them to the right side, I'm going to just fold and top stitch the waistband onto the shorts. Like so. Yeah, and that's it. So there we are done with the tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed it, please go and try it out. It's really fun outfit. That's how the ties can be tied. You can tie them on the side where they are, or you can tie them at the front like that, and enjoy your shorts, skirts. Okay, thank you for watching.